Have you ever had a great new idea for a segment, but didn't know how to build it? The Define with AI feature offers a whole new approach to segment building. It lets you describe the segment that you want using normal phrases and sentences, and converts them into Klaviyo segment criteria using generative AI. From there, you can edit the definition to the exact segment that you're looking for. A couple of important things to note before we continue. First, this tool is available for paid Klaviyo accounts only. And second, it's intended to help guide you to the proper segment definition, but you are ultimately still responsible for the final segment criteria. Let's look at an example of how this works. Say you want to create a segment for active subscribers who have never made a purchase. Start in your Klaviyo account. Open the List and Segments tab, click on Create New, and select Create Segment. Next, click on Define with AI. Here, you can name your segment and type out a short description for what you're looking for. Click Preview Segment to review the segment definition. If you want to make any modifications to your segment, click Edit in Builder. This will allow you the ability to adjust and add segment conditions as needed. I'm going to add person can receive email marketing as a condition to this segment. Once you're happy with the definition, click Create Segment. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you created a brand new segment with the help of AI. We hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, let us know by liking and subscribing so that you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Plus, be sure to check out the description to take your next step as you learn and grow with Klaviyo.